Listen, there's still very strong traction in the real estate sector in Dubai, but we think that the risks of cyclical slowdown and potentially a mild reversal are increasing now. So we think this could materialize in the next 12 to 18 months, and we do think the increase in prices will slow down or could correct slightly.
في ظل توقعات بتباطؤ قطاع العقار في إمارة دبي، هل هناك توقعات بأن تقوموا بتغيير على التصنيفات الائتمانية لشركات العقار في دبي؟
No, it's not our expectation. So we think the ratings on the developers that we rate in Dubai will remain resilient, and that's two main reasons for this. First is developers have significantly improved their financial situations over the past few years. They've been able to generate a lot of cash. They've improved liquidity buffers. They repaid some debt, and at the same time, the ratings that we have on them already do factor in some volatility and cyclicality in the sector.
ما هي المخاطر التي تواجه سوق العقار في إمارة دبي تحديداً وسوق الإمارات؟
So listen, we see risks on supply and demand side. We start with the big macro picture. We see global economic uncertainties, global economy performing at subpar level. Dubai being an open economy, this could affect demand here. Supply has been high of the real estate over the past couple of years, so this could feed the oversupply issue if the demand softens. And there's a whole other series of factors, high interest rates, even if Dubai is less sensitive to interest, there's geopolitical risks, there's speculative investor behavior and so on.
كان هناك مخاطر جيوسياسية عالمية أثرت على تصنيفكم لشركات العقار في كل من أوروبا وأمريكا. ما هي الحصانة إن صح التعبير التي تتمتع بها دبي لمواجهة هذه المخاطر؟
So geopolitics, Dubai generally is seen as a safe haven. So it's benefited in the past from geopolitical unrests and conflicts in the world, and we've seen it recently with Russia-Ukraine conflict. A lot of Russians and Ukrainians came, and if anything, this supported demand for real estate. That it was positive for Dubai economy. There's this. Then with interest rates currently being high, we think Dubai is relatively immune to this, because mortgage transactions in the first 9 months of this year represented only 16% of total transactions. The rest of the transactions are cash-based, really. And the inflation remains below global levels, so from an economic point of view, Dubai is quite immune for now, and the outlook is relatively positive.
هل سيكون هناك أثر سلبي كبير على شركات العقار في الإمارات، خاصة مع تطبيق ضريبة الشركات ابتداء من العام المقبل؟
The corporate tax rate is still quite competitive globally and even in the region. And the company is now in a good financial situation. So we don't expect them to be affected quite materially by this.